decision is in line with the resolutions made by the generality of our party members at the 16th National People's Conference held in Mashingo in December 2016 and the National People's Congress in 2014. As the Zanu PF leaders in the provinces, we wish to condemn in the strongest of terms sentiments being expressed by some rocky and discredited elements such as one energy Mutodi, who unrelentlessly continue to use the media to attack our party leader, head of state and government and commander-in-chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. Energy Mutodi has no mandate to speak on behalf of Zanu PF, nor is he in the leadership structures of the party, and therefore he should stop henceforth this habit of denigrating our party leader. In the same vein, as provincial chairpersons and political commissars, we notice with concern the practice by some of our senior party leaders who are now and again seen in the company of some elements of people who were expelled from Zanu PF for crossing discipline. This kind of behavior puts doubt on those leaders' commitment and loyalty to decisions that are made by Zanu PF collectively as a party. Party leaders should not be seen to be associating and entertaining people who were expelled from the party for indiscipline, which involved disrespect of the party leadership. As the party's leaders in the provinces, we call upon all party leaders and all party structures to refocus and redirect all efforts at uniting the party and prepare it to win the harmonized election coming in 2018. No one in the party should divert the party's focus from this revolutionary goal.
My Dr. Mugabe, Batana, Wakapakel, Batana Vc, Pasna Grace Mjuru.